Alright, I got a super PC build for you guys. Starting us off, I got the 7900 XTX Hellhound with a insane 24 gigabytes of VRAM. This card is huge and it's super thick, dang. So for that beast of a GPU, I'm pairing it with an Intel i9 14900KF CPU. I picked up this Aorus Elite AX Ice motherboard. Very nice, super clean with the white and silver. $64 gigabytes of 6000 DDR5. Two terabyte WD Black SSD. And of course, gotta have a contact frame for the CPU. Alright, and since this thing is practically a space heater, I have a 360mm AIO to cool it. And now the case, a Zalman P30. It's a pretty nice case for the price. Very clean, simple. Alright, check out this long boy. Corsair HX 1200i PSU. And of course, gotta have some nice cable extensions. First boot up and that RGB is vomiting everywhere, but good to see that everything's working. So the GPU only has 3 RGB settings: purple, blue, and just off. Alright, let's run a few benchmarks. First up is still Nomad. So I decided to set the GPU to the silent BIOS so that it'll be a little bit quieter fan-wise, and the performance will be a little less, of course, but that didn't really matter because the coil whine is so loud. So maybe the fan noise will just drown it out, so maybe I should just keep it on overclocked. Next up, Time Spy. Everything's looking normal so far. Alright, Cyberpunk fully maxed out. Everything, including ray tracing with no upscaling or frame gen. This is 1080p, so obviously it's going to destroy it. This is definitely a 1440p and 4K card, but I was just curious. This is an insane PC, and while this 7900 XTX is great, the coil whine, like I said earlier, is so bad. Like, just listen to this clip. Alright, I'll put some more benchmarks in the part list in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. You rockin' blue? You rockin' purple? Peace.